Howdy folks, Captain Jenko here. Anyway, today we're going to make the world's best tasting pot roast you have ever eaten. It's tender, it's juicy, and it's all in 20 minutes. So with that said, let's get started. So what I have here is a about a 3-pound chuck and 5 about medium tomato potatoes. They're pretty decent looking. I got these on sale, or I would have used the regular carrots, but they cost as much as the regular carrots. They're already peeled and bite-sized, so I'm going to use the whole bag on that. And lastly, and this is all you're going to need, I got the roasted beef gravy. I got 2 packages. Pioneer doesn't pay me to advertise them, but this is the brand that I use, so I guess I'm plugging them or something, but you can use whatever gravy you like. This is one I like, and we use 2 packages of that. And that's pretty well the basics of it. There isn't that much involved, but the flavor after all these ingredients cooked together, especially with these pressurized into the potatoes, into the meat, into the carrots, oh, the flavor is just out of this world. You're going to love it. So let's start peeling our potatoes and cutting up our meat and getting it all ready for it, and we'll throw it in the pot. Now that everything's all cut up, everything's all prepped, I guess we're ready to put it all together. So here we go. Start with the meat. There we go. Let's go with the potatoes. Hello. And our pre-cut mild-sized carrots. That's good. And lastly, now you can add whatever you'd like. I mean, you can add celery, onions, and whatever you want, broccoli. But I just like the basics, 4 basics: potatoes, carrots, meat, and gravy. Here comes the gravy. There we go. Get a spoon here real quick. Yeah, just right all the way around. Cover it up, put the lid on. Okay, I guess we're ready to start cooking now. And what I have here is it's a Farberware. Again, I'm not getting paid to plug these people, but this is a Farberware is what I use. It's a Walmart brand. And it's got a whole bunch of presets on it. It's real easy to use, or you can set whatever timer you want. And what I'll do is get it started here. Menu, go to the preset, which is number 6, and push start. And that's it. Now it's going to take off and cook. As soon as the pressure comes up, right here it'll show the minutes cooking. It'll show 20, and that's what you have, 20 minutes, and that'll be the most juicy, tender roast you've ever eaten. It pressurizes the gravy into the potatoes, into the meat, into the carrots. It's just simply delicious. So we'll come back here in about 20 minutes and see what our end product looks like. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you try my recipe. I know that you're going to like it. That's one of my favorite dishes, and it feeds about 5 or 6 people. Real easy to make, and I love the way the pressure cooker cooks the gravy into the meat, the potatoes, carrots, and whatever other vegetables that you want to use. So until next time, please subscribe, click the like button, and we'll see you in the kitchen.